Let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Euro JPY. So first thing first, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you would not miss out on any single updates we will be dropping for you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the description. Now, take a look at this movement on EURJPY. Like I said before, we are targeting this level. This is our level. Guess what? Markets must definitely come to tap this level. So whatever you would want to do on your EURJPY, buy and put your buy position. So the best thing, this movement is mostly, is best for, and it is for swing traders, right? And also position traders, traders that would like to, who are swing traders. This is a very good position for them. Because when you take a look at it right here, right? Markets has been injecting from this zone multiple times, and this zone serves as our support level. Now, guess what market did, right? Market eventually, was able to rally up a bit, got to this resistance level, stop and drop. Now you can see it this level. We had a multiple. You can see that there is a multiple rejection. Now markets eventually push up, right, and then give us a pullback. Now markets eventually give us some more push up to form a new high. So this is a new high the market has formed. Now after it has formed this new high, guess what market is doing? This is the higher low. So market is currently playing an higher low. So once the higher low finish playing, our markets will most likely give us some more push up upside, thereby forming a new high. So this is to tell you that a bullish move for the day is what we'll be expecting on EURJPY. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So subscribe in order for you not to miss out on